Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to use single earbud mode on HONOR Earbuds X6. So, to use it, you need to open the charging case and remove only one earbud from the charging case. It can be a left one or right one. And now you can use your earbuds with it. And to prove it for you, we can go to the settings, connected devices or Bluetooth, and right here, as you can see, we have connection with this earbud. So you can use it. Oh, you can also use gesture what you have at this selected earbud. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.